here. Now, what should be interesting here is that the market knows that perhaps the strong growth outlook, again, that basically should be told by the Fed chairman here. But then what sort of interest rate hike trajectory is going to be depicted, I think that is going to be very important here. So I think let's try and understand about what should be a strategy, what should be a behavior on the rupee with our guest today, Keta, the senior VP at United Financial Consultants. She joins us on the phone line from Mumbai. Keta, the first question to you would be that the market knows that perhaps this evening there is going to be a strong economic outlook which is going to be talked about. But in terms of hawkish or inflation outlook, what's your own perception? What could be the trade on the rupee here? How the dollar behave? What's actually your assessment here?
Good afternoon, Piyush. Definitely, market is quite choppy since last evening, and people are waiting for today's testimony from Powell. Powell is going to tell now the entire movement on dollar will depend upon his rhetoric. My take on it, he won't be that hawkish because he will become on board and he has to take a lot of stock of the situation on the economy, because since last couple of days there are a lot of other Fed members who are been very cautious on the economic growth, and they are not really supportive of a very aggressive rate hike. So you would give a balanced kind of a move or a balanced rhetoric is expected from him. So that's why market is quite choppy. I think so. If he becomes slight dovish also, that would again push dollar index again back below B-time. So market would be positioning for that. And if you look at today's G7, G8 currencies as well as our Asian currencies, every currency is moving in a very narrow range. So people are not pushing themselves. A lot of new positions will be built today night only.
Keta, what the sense I am getting from your outlook is that perhaps dollar has a limited bias on the upside primarily, and also you're expecting that not much hawk statement is going to come from the Fed Reserve. And if I look at the charts, that tells me that euro dollar actually has not broken down. It's still trading in the range here. So is it fair to say there is a higher chance of perhaps euro again resuming its uptrend if we're not seeing any sort of major negative surprise from the sort of Fed chairman statement here or testimony here?
Definitely, if you look at all the currencies, dollar is not able to make significant move above 90. Last time also we spoke, the movements are very capped above 90. Time and again it is moving below 90 only. It moves above 90, there is profit to at those levels. Since yesterday also, Draghi also commented on euro and European economy. They are not comfortable with euro strength, but then also we are not in any big profit booking or a big pullback in the currency. Primarily, it's because of the broad-based dollar weakness. Or people are confident that US might not give much more rate hikes, what market expecting 4 rate hikes, but they might settle around at 3. So I think so that kind of a move has been factored in euro, and definitely if there is no big surprise on the dollar or a hawkish comment, we might revisit euro again close to 2450-25 level, wherein even European markets are not very comfortable about 25. But the currency which will go higher would be pound. Pound has a lot of move.
Keta, I want to ask you then, with respect to rupee, what would be a good sort of strategy, whether it's pound rupee, euro rupee or dollar rupee? What you would like to advise our viewers? Who could be importers or exporters? What could be a good strategy for either of the three, if there is any good trade there?
If you look at for trading thing, I would suggest to go for euro, because pound can give you a big uptick above 4.0. We can land somewhere between 4.1 or 4.2. The strategy is you can go short on euro rupee at 80 levels with a close at 80.30, 80.35. Because time and again it has retraced from those levels. That is a good level. For dollar rupee, you can consider building up short position above 65, but I would suggest to wait for today's move, and tomorrow will give you a very good direction. Tomorrow you can get a good direction wherein a good kind of a trade can be built up at those levels. So today one can go short on euro.
Right, so that's the word coming here. Euro rupee again. If you want to actually take position, then you can actually sell Euro rupee with a stop loss of 80.35. And again, that's actually looking a much convincing trade. And for dollar rupee again, you should wait for tomorrow. That's the word coming from our guest today. Keta, thanks a lot for the strategy and the insights into what we should be expecting from the Fed Chairman Powell testimony here. With that, is a wrap on this edition of the Commodities Trade News and Updates.